Say it with me. DIY paint dries lighter, y'all. The colors are going to be a little softer, but right now, oh, I'm digging those colors. I am going to go in and dip in with just a flat brush. I like synthetic bristles, and I'm just going to lightly start layering, and I just kind of, it's not a whole lot of thinking. I'm just kind of painting on, tapping on just some colors, just like that. But I like to layer up a lot. So you're gonna see me put more and more and more colors on here. Flip it around. Perfect little table to have out here. So French millinery is like a lavender color. It dries glorious. Again, this with skeleton key is beautiful. I might have to go over there and get my skeleton key since I keep talking about it. But I can see in my head some other colors that I think are gonna play really nice. So everybody's happy at the party, everybody's getting along. So do you see that? Tap, 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 very, very lightly. I'm gonna wipe my brush back. I'm going straight for this gorgeous, gorgeous color called Water Lily. So this with the greens also looks stunning. So I'm gonna kind of put that right up to next to where the French millinery, both in the purple family. So those two colors are like, they're gonna be best friends at the party. They're probably gonna get in trouble. Oh, y'all, we have so much going on. Today has just been a fun, crazy day, so I am in a mood. Okay, so you see how I'm doing this, right? I think I have this nice and close. So just is not really, I'm thinking about where I wanna place it, but I'm not being all scared, or I'm just getting it on there, y'all. If there's any way that I love to teach, it's just paint free, paint happy. I've been saying that for years. Now I want to brighten it up, so I'm going to go in with my liquid sunshine, and I'm going to start working that down. Maybe have that a little bit heavier. I did dampen it. That was just water. When I sprayed earlier, that was just water. So I'm going in and doing that, and I'm just going to continue to turn it. It doesn't have to be all matchy-matchy, but I like a consistent or maybe a cohesive look if that's an easier way. You can see it. I want more brightness, so I'm actually eyeing up my Cowgirl. You know I love me my Cowgirl Coral. So let's put some brightness on here with some Cowgirl Coral. So I'm going to set that right there. Stare at that. It's right here. Now I am also loving mixing my Cowgirl Coral with a little bit of the Petticoat Pink. Y'all, I've been using this as my highlighter color. What I always say is I like to add my depth and my light. So for my light, I've been using a lot of the Petticoat Pink, and oh, I really, really, really like that. So I'm just, same thing. I'm not blending those two colors, so I'm not pushing it and going back and forth and making a custom color. I'm going right up on top, very carefully going down it, so I'm not blending those two colors. I'm staying right up on top. Okay, well, let's keep going. But while I have this out, and you can see that, I just want to play along here, just like that. It's just kind of skipping. I want this table really, really colorful. I like the soft, simple colors on here. That's just not a funky butterfly. I have to make it funky. All right, let's keep turning her. So again, we have some Cowgirl Coral on top. I love the coral mixed with the greens, which is Fancy Farm Girl. And looking at these colors, I'm almost positive I mixed it with the yellow, which is Liquid Sunshine. Not too long ago, I was telling a story about I was over in Hobby Lobby, and all of their Christmas stuff was out. This was a couple of weeks ago. Oh my gosh, it might even be a month ago. Well, now I'm getting all the notifications that all the Christmas stuff is on sale. So, news alert, Hobby Lobby is in Christmas mode in August, and it's on sale. But what I was saying earlier is y'all can go in and buy all those ornaments. There's so many retailers on here. They paint the ornaments and they make the coolest projects out of them. So don't wait too long, but so many fun ideas. I might actually make some this year, But yeah, don't forget. Very, very lightly, y'all, I am still using the exact same brush. Very soft, pulling it in, pulling it down. Wiping back, I'm gonna layer right on top, and I want you to see how you're not mixing the colors. This is Liquid Sunshine, as light as a feather. Very, very, very lightly. So yeah, right here, very lightly. Let me just do a little bit more yellow on my brush, right on top, just like that. And then you're gonna let that dry. You're gonna let it dry, and it's gonna be yummy goodness going on in there. All these pretty DIY colors. But I am still thinking some dark waxes in all the nooks and crannies and grooves and stuff like that. Probably make this dark because when I do my flowers, I like them on a little bit darker. I'm gonna blend some boho up here and do something like that. But I'm thinking, I create very organically, spontaneously. I don't really have a plan. I just kind of let the piece speak to me. And that is how I create my things, you know. Best laid plans of mice and men. If I have a plan, it's never going to come out the way that I thought. I'll change it, and I'll change it several times. So just kind of play, because it's just paint, y'all. You can go right back over it. Whatever you don't like, just go right back. Go back over it. I've done that on a lot of my canvas work and anything that I'm creating. I leave them alone for a while. I stare at them. If they don't bring me joy, I'm gonna change them. There's no time for not having joy with your art, okay? So make sure you're just, like totally in love with it. And then other people will be too. So this is the DIY Insider brush that I'm using. Y'all, I use all synthetic bristles. It really does make the paint glide. It really does make it move across the whatever you're painting really, really nice. Now, some people like those, like the striated looks that you get with the natural bristles. I used to paint that way, and I still love it, but right now I'm more obsessed with it. Well, I actually want this. I'm sorry, I set it over there. I like the look of a smoother, little bit smoother finish. But just like I teach, I want my pieces to look like they've been hand painted, not to, is it paint? Is it a stencil? Did you do that? No, I want it to be very much, oh look, you painted that. Yes, that's what I like. So don't be afraid to have, you know, the texture that you get in there when you're hand painting. Okay. That's just the very back corner that you guys can't see off camera, but I do want to take care of that. Now, here comes the magic, and then I'll see what else I want to do. So I'm spraying it with a little bit of water, not a lot, just a little bit. DIY blending brush. You know that I'm obsessed with this brush. So I'm going to go right in there, and I'm just going to start blending with the DIY blending brush. And just work those colors together, overlapping, blending. I'll go back around the edges again, not worried about that. I just wanted to get this a little bit darker. And I'm just working those two colors together with the blending brush. I'm gonna pull the camera down in just a hot minute. Let me get this going just a little bit more. So, love that. Now, trust me when I say I will pull the two looks together. The lighter colored flowers, just like I did on my little cabinet down here, those lighter colored flowers are gonna go up here. So that's all gonna speak to each other. They're all gonna get along, and it's gonna have these colors up here, all playing, all getting along at the party. Hold on, you know I was gonna pop up. Hold on. You're all like, where'd she go? Here I am. All right, everybody, I am going to pop off. I'll check back later for any other comments. Again, this is what it's looking like. Lots of blending, very simple, easy techniques that I know y'all can do. Follow me on Funky Butterfly. I have two groups, a free group about interior design, and my mentor group is getting ready to open back up the 1st of September. Would love to have you. All right, everybody, have an amazing day. Thanks for watching. Bye.